Mama, from the moment I opened my eyes, you were there with open arms and lullabies. Through every laugh, through every tear, you held me close and calmed my fears. You kissed my wounds, you chased the rain, taught me how to love through pain. You gave me strength, you gave me light, and somehow you always knew what's right. Because a mother's love is soft and strong, a steady hand, a guiding song. No words could ever be enough to thank you, Mama, for your love.
Awis mo nga, siyempre.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much sa aking lahat ng mga apong pinalaki ko. Thank you so much. I love them all. God bless.
Ato si Mama, sa video
More
ko.
blessing.
Ho.
Mama, this is my daughter. Kayo lahat, ako.
Wala yakan.
Hindi, iyak. Iyak. Mama, Bi. Shush.
Wow, Marco, look! What's this?
Bukas na kayo.
Bella.
Ho.
Sino yun?
Hey. Ho.
O, balis Mami. Kong. Anong unique yan, Mama B? DIY yan, unique.
Binilang ko yan, 6.
Wow, at meron pala to.
Wag mo wag mo ipapakuha yan. Ho.
Oh, palit tayo.
Isa-isa pala
Happy
to.
Mother's Day.
Thank you talaga.
Iyak na yan.
Oh, ano? Walang iyak?
Ay, nasana.
Sayang naman yung video, wala palang iyak.
Bali, bakit gusto niyo umiyak?
Hindi ah. Gusto namin masaya ka.
Tears of joy.
Kaya nga, kasi si Lord, inano na niya ako, yung, inamadan na niya yung aking kalooban. Oh.